right, I'm gonna show you the cleaning paste. We all know kids like to be artistic. This is a permanent marker. Show them permanent marker. Can they see the word permanent?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Imagine this is your wall. Kid says, I'm gonna draw on your wall. And then you say as a mom, no you won't. Oops. No you won't. The big word no. We always say no, right? Okay. But they did anyways. Oh no, what am I gonna do? I know, I'll use cleaning paste. Cleaning paste is magic. You just get a little bit on your Enviro cloth. Let's go back to the tile. And you say no, yes, no. Just like that. It's kind of like the magic eraser, but it goes a lot farther, doesn't crumble. And as you can see, the permanent marker is here. Permanent marker is not there. Clean paste. I use this to polish my faucets. I use this to clean any stains, spots, etc. It really is a cool scrub. All right.